What's up? I'm Eric Hanley, and I want to make you the next millionaire with AI. That's not hype, that's a promise, okay? Because what I'm about to show you is how you can land high paying clients without spending a single dollar on ads. And what's the secret weapon? It's Go High Level's AI employee. This isn't just another chatbot, this is a full AI workforce that answers calls, books appointments, manages reviews, and closes deals 24/7 while you sleep. I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use to find business owners who need help right now and how you can charge them $500, $1,000, even $3,000 per month to solve their problems. Okay, here's the reality: small businesses are drowning. They're overwhelmed with calls they can't answer, leads they can't follow up with, and social media accounts that look like ghost towns. Here's the kicker: they know they're losing money because of it. They just don't have the time or staff to fix it. That's where you come in. So let me show you how to find these businesses without paying for leads, expensive software, or any of that nonsense. All right. This is a gold mine. Everyone is ignoring it. Social media audience, I recommend that. All right. I recommend starting with restaurants, but this really works for dental offices, salons, barbershops, real estate agents, fitness studios, even, and local law firms. Okay. But why restaurants? Because they need social media to survive. Most of them are really terrible at it. Okay. So you're going to open up Instagram or Facebook and search for restaurants in your city. Look for those red flags. Red flag number one: no posts in a very long time. 60 days, 90 days, sometimes a year or two. This screams we're too busy to market ourselves. All right. Red flag number two is going to be terrible engagement. They post, but they only get 2 likes and 0 comments. Their audience is absolutely dead. Okay. Red flag number three: no response to comments or reviews. So check Google reviews. Are they responding? Probably not. Red flag number four: inconsistent branding. All right. Different logos, random photos, no clear message. It's just all a mess. Okay. So you're going to take screenshots and make a simple checklist: last post date, follower count, engagement rate, review response rate, phone number, and website. This is your ammunition when you reach out. Don't overthink the outreach. Send them the DM or the email like this: "Hi, I was checking out your restaurant on Instagram and noticed you haven't posted in a while. I help restaurants like yours fill tables using automated marketing. I noticed a few quick wins that we can probably discuss. Can I bring you into a Zoom call? I can bring you more customers this month. Would you be open to 10-minute call to discuss this? No cost, no commitment. I just want to help." All right, something simple like that. I just freestyled that off the dome. But before I show you what to do with these leads, I want you to do something right now. Go to the link in my description and start your free 14-day trial of Go High Level. No credit card required, just pure access to the most powerful AI employee you'll ever hire. This is the same platform I use currently. All right. And after you see what it can do, you'll understand why I'm so fired up about it. All right. Links in the description. Do it now. And let's get back to making you rich. All right. So now that you found, desperate business owners with dead social media and missed opportunities, here's how Go High Level's AI employee turns your agency into their superhero. Okay. It's 6 powerful AI tools in one platform. Okay. Number one is going to be Voice AI. This is my favorite: the AI phone agent. It answers calls every single phone call automatically, qualifies leads by asking preset questions, and books appointments directly into their calendar. No more "sorry, we missed your call" nonsense. For a restaurant, imagine this: customer calls at 9 p.m. and says, "Hey, how's it going?" And then the AI says, "Thanks for calling for Tony's Pizza. Are you looking to make a reservation or place an order?" The AI takes the order, confirms the time, collects the payment info, and sends the confirmation text. All while the owner is home watching Netflix, right? Conversation AI is number 2. This is chat automation that responds to Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, social media messages, and all that stuff. Okay. And also website chat. It instantly engages leads 24/7 and nurtures them until they're ready to buy. Okay. Number 3, reviews AI. It automatically responds to Google and Facebook reviews. Positive review, thanks. It's gonna thank them and invite them back. Negative review, professional response that shows they care. This alone can save a restaurant's reputation. Okay, number 4 is going to be content AI. It creates social media posts, emails, blogs in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to post. Number 5, funnel and website AI. It builds high converting landing pages and sales funnels automatically. Perfect for running promotions or special events. Number 6, workflow AI assistant. It automates follow-ups, appointment reminders, and lead nurturing. Sets up complex automations with simple instructions. All right, let's get specific now. What's your pitch to the restaurant owner? Okay, it should sound like this. Look, I noticed your Instagram hasn't been updated in 3 months. Okay, that means you're invisible to thousands of people searching for a place to eat this weekend. Okay, but there's the bigger problem. Okay, here it is. When someone doesn't call you during dinner rush, do you always answer? Probably not. What if I told you I can set up an AI that answers every call and takes reservations, online orders, all that? Responds to Instagram DMs instantly, replies to reviews automatically, and posts content to your social media 3 times per week. And it's going to cost you less than hiring one part-time employee to do one of those jobs. Would that help you fill more tables? That's your money pitch. Now, here's where you're going to make bank. Go High Level costs you $97 per month for unlimited AI client access. Okay? You charge a client $497 to $997 per month for AI phone agent setup, conversation automation, review management, social media content with 3 to 5 posts per week, and monthly reporting. Or you can offer a premium package at $1,500 to $3,000 per month that includes everything above, plus paid ad management, email campaigns, and advanced funnel building. Your profit, $400 to $2,900 per client. Okay, per month. Get 10 clients, that's $4,000 to $29,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And remember, Go High Level is white labeled. You brand it, you own the relationship. Here's how fast you can get a client and up and running in day 1. You get an onboarding call, get access to their social accounts, set up their Go High Level sub account, and connect their phone number. Day 2 and 3, AI setup. Configure voice AI with their greeting and FAQ responses. Set up conversation AI for Instagram and Facebook, and enable reviews. Day 4 and 5, content calendar. Use content AI to generate 12 posts for the month and schedule everything in Go High Level. Day 6, training and handoff. Show them the dashboard and let them see calls being answered in real time. Day 7, results start coming in. That's it. 1 week to completely transform their business. Listen, I've given you the entire playbook here. The free lead generation strategy, the AI solution, the pricing model, everything you need to start making serious money. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is worthless, okay? So here's what you need to do right now. Step 1, go to the link in my description and start your free 14-day trial of Go High Level. No credit card needed, okay? Go for it. Step 2, pick your niche. Restaurants are my recommendation, but choose what excites you, what you're passionate about, what you love doing, what you can see yourself doing, okay? Step 3, that's very important, right? Step 3, spend 30 minutes finding 10 businesses with dead social media accounts, okay? You can do it. Google Maps, look up all the restaurants. There's so many businesses around you, okay? Step 4, send them to outreach messages and give them the offer that, I recommended earlier, or use AI to create an offer for you, All right. If one responds, you can be making $500 per month by next week. If you land 5 clients this month, that's $2,500 in recurring revenue. Come on. Do that for 6 months and you're at $15K per month. That's how you become a millionaire with AI. This isn't theory, this is the exact blueprint. I use this every single day prospecting. Okay, so click that link below, start your free trial, and let's build your AI powered agency together. Drop a comment below telling me what niche you're going after, and I'll reply with specific tips for that industry. All right, let's get to work, and don't forget to subscribe.